Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Well, in today's video we are going to see how to make stir-fried rice noodles with egg and vegetables, which is a delicious and healthy meal as it is loaded with egg and veggies. So friends, let's get started with this delicious and healthy meal recipe. So to make rice noodles, I am using this packet of rice sticks which I purchased online. And now we need to boil them until they become soft and tender, but different packets may have different cooking time, so read the instruction given in the packet before boiling. I've already heated some water in a large pot to which I'll be adding half teaspoon of salt, and as the water comes to a boil we will add the rice sticks. Add rice sticks according to the quantity you are preparing, and we will cook them until they are tender. And by now the rice noodles should be cooked. I will check once. They are tender now. So I will turn off the flame, drain the water off and rinse them with water. In the meantime, we'll prepare a sauce to stir fry the noodles. For that, take a bowl and into it I will add some chili sauce or hot sauce, say around 1 tablespoon. Next goes around 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. This gives a very nice flavor to our stir fried noodles. Then goes 1 teaspoon of vinegar, half teaspoon of dark soy sauce, half teaspoon of brown sugar to balance the taste, 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now mix this well with the help of a spoon so that all the ingredients are well combined. So our sauce is also ready, and now we shall start with the cooking process. To stir fry the rice noodles, I am using an iron wok to which I am adding here around 1/2 teaspoon of oil. Spread the oil on all the sides of the wok, and when the oil is hot, I will add 2 eggs which I will scramble it. Season the eggs with a pinch of salt and mix it well. So the eggs are done and I will take them off. I'll add now some more oil, say around 1 tablespoon, and when the oil is hot, goes some finely chopped garlic, few ginger strips, and on medium flame we need to saute them for a while. Next goes 1 large onion sliced. Fry the onions till they are translucent. Now time to add some veggies. Here goes some broccoli florets, babycorn sliced diagonally, bok choy stalks. These veggies take slightly longer time to get cooked, so I'm adding them first. And on medium flame we will saute them for about 2 minutes. I will now season the veggies with 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, and we need to saute them till they are half cooked. By now these veggies are almost cooked. Now goes the green leafy blades of the bok choy and the white part of the spring onions. Stir them for about 1 minute. And now time to add some more colorful veggies like carrot cut into thin long strips, red, yellow, green bell peppers. Stir them for another 1 minute. This looks to me like a vegetable paradise with so many colorful veggies, which will make our rice noodles healthy, colorful and delicious as well. Now add the scrambled eggs into the wok and mix this well along with the veggies. Next goes the prepared hot and sour sauce. Mix well again. And now time to add the boiled rice noodles. Now mix the noodles really well with the veggies. I'll add now the remaining sauce on top of the noodles and toss them well. The sauce should coat well with the noodles so that you get all the flavors of the sauce when you bite the noodles. Finally, I will add some green spring onions cut diagonally, around 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and some white sesame seeds. Toss them well again. And our stir-fried rice noodles is ready. I will turn off the flame and serve them hot. And friends, here goes our stir-fried rice noodles with egg and vegetables on the serving plate. Enjoy this healthy and delicious meal with your family, and I'm sure you're going to love it. I'll add some more scrambled eggs on top and garnish the rice noodles with some more spring onions. That's it. So friends, I hope you will try this interesting stir-fried rice noodles recipe very soon. Also do share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more healthy, yummy and interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.